Welcome to the Urban Exploring Adventure Show.
Why when you do it, do you always do it really quietly?
He always does this thing, he goes, welcome to the Urban Exploring Adventure Show.
I know, it's
Do you
fun.
want to do it loud?
No, it's too late now.
I've got rocks on my wrist. That shit you can't resist. You recording?
Yeah.
Hello. You joining us again on another
Frightful Winter's Day.
Are you still recording?
Yeah, still
Am I in shot? Am I in shot?
Yeah.
Right. Yeah, we're on the outskirts of Manchester. We're gonna check out this old house. We don't know what's inside it, and we're going there right now to do this. I wish I did have a condom on my head, but I don't. Sorry, guys.
Oh my god, it's so muddy.
It's full of water.
Is it?
Getting mad. I was once at a house party and I put the wheelie bin in the shower and filled it up full of water.
Wow.
And then I thought to myself, ha 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 ha. That'll take him ages to fucking empty that. But then I thought, if you just get a bucket, it'll take like 2 minutes.
Oh well, this looks battered.
That's cool.
No, what the fuck are you wearing?
He's going. He looks like he's going jogging. Long johns. It's cold.
Who are you, fucking Kurt Roberts?
Yeah, but
why are you wearing long johns?
You can understand me. That's not a rational explanation, because if you're cold, you just wear long.
Yeah, you'd wear long johns and maybe some joggers underneath on the top.
Shorts. Is it a style?
So basically, you're wearing long johns because you want to wear shorts, but you're cold.
Is it like? I don't think about these things. I don't care.
You know, we had like a run, Norton. We had like a run of doing loads of houses at one point.
We did.
But we haven't been to one for a while.
Cool.
Is that a horse box?
It's a whole like, it's a big truck. HD guy. What the fuck am I on about? DVLA guy. Check that out. Look at the can. Look at the fucking old tins of soup.
Oh, that is a.
Is it quite good?
It's
quite cool.
It's pretty empty. Well, it's not empty. It's full of shit, but
it's weird as fuck. You see these places? Oh, we got dirty mags.
They're all dirty mags?
Yeah, they're all dirty mags.
Oh, put your camera in, Norton, or get in.
I don't wanna. Just do something. All fours fucked on it.
Yeah, I know. I just want people to see the film.
Oh man.
I want to see the front.
Oh, it looks like someone's been fucking living in here. There's like dirty mags and like a perfect razor in pristine condition. This is fucking weird. Look, the Kremlin. What the fuck is going on?
Let's have a look at the front of this. Oh, what? It's a Bedford, Norton. It's a Bedford with tartan seats. I'm sinking here into the floor. That's all about.
I apologise for my swearing, everyone. This isn't a family-friendly show, I'm afraid. It's a squat one.
Say that again. What?
It's one of them squat things. You get people to sit either side of them. You squat with them.
Right, are we going in?
Greenhouse. This guy was a serious grower. I get people to squat on my face.
Right, are we going in?
There's a decapitated teddy bear.
Oh shit, that is.
His legs chopped off. It's actually fully decapitated. Oh my god! Ah!
Oh, what is it with you just picking things up? Have you got no hygiene rules?
This is the first thing I've picked up.
You picked up that big fucking horrible weightlifting thing a minute ago.
Alright, sunshine. Fucking hell, this place just looks like... It literally looks like a bunch of terrorists have blown up a rubbish dump.
Oh wow, we've got leaves indoors. How's that happen?
I've got a golden day.
Oh god, that stinks.
I thought that was a big... Oh,
stop touching things. You've made me fucking like quiver then.
Cocaine! Oh, it could be this caster sugar.
No. Oh look, look at all the
honey. Oh, no,
look at all the baking equipment. Wow, this place is oh fuck. It's like what was that program with those two old women that used to go around cleaning houses?
Super Nanny.
No, they used to go around clean houses. Kim and Aggie?
Or shitholes.
How clean is your house?
How clean is your dick?
It's like that.
Do you know, because it cancelled... Ah...
Did you just bang your head?
Yeah.
I hope I got that.
Watch your head.
No, it's like your flat, this.
What, flat?
You flat?
This is what it looks like when you try to build flat pack furniture. It's properly, royally
There's a Hoover?
fucked.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Is that your professional opinion?
Absolutely. That's a professional term taken from the Urban Exploring Bible. Which you'll also find on my eBay store.
That's like that brush that Kurt gave me to clean my car wheels. It is. The only difference is that the handle's wood.
He was trying to palm off a fucking, like, a normal paintbrush to me. It's like a special brush this to get into, like, places. I'm like, Kurt, it's a fucking paintbrush.
But they sell it for twice the price. Twice the price. That's why I call me Terry Tibbs.
Have you seen all these weird fucking... Oh, they're making me gip just looking
This
at
place is making me gip.
it. Just like weird shit in jars.
Weird shit in jars.
Oh my god, it's a cow's penis. I think it's just pickled onions, Sam. Pickled cute.
Pickled dill cucumbers.
Oh, why did the
The seal is broken.
and the mould is like piled up.
How much would it cost for you to eat that, Al?
£1 million.
£1 million?
Nah, 10 grand.
10 grand? Yeah. Right, if anyone watching this has got 10 grand.
10 grand. 100 quid? 100 quid?
You do it for 100 quid?
Fuck yeah.
Why do you price yourself so low?
But looking at it made you gip.
Yeah, you wouldn't be able to eat it.
Money's money, innit?
Yeah, but you wouldn't get the money if you couldn't eat it.
Money's money. I'd eat it for 100 quid. There must be something worth seeing in this death hole. This is weird. Look at this. It looks absolutely fucked, but yet the lid seems relatively new. Strange goings on.
Oh wow, that's the front. Take a picky, Al. Oh, the front door's open.
What, you found out good?
No. This is some druggie's bedroom. No word of a lie. Someone's been sleeping here.
Someone has been living in here.
Look at that.
Do you reckon?
In fact, like, I had to double take it to make sure there wasn't someone under them covers. I was looking to see if I could see any movement for a couple of seconds because
he's absolutely.
There's a phone number. Oh no.
Sodden wet. Oh, that's so cool. Look at that fucking ghetto blaster.
I don't blame people.
Bit of light switch porn. Nice bit of urbexy shit. You know, you all love that kind of fucking bullshit, don't you? What we got in here? All this floor's just fucking fallen through. Wardrobe's fallen over and over there, over and over and over there, and over there. Looks like fucking hurricanes come through there and fucking just destroyed this place. I'm getting downstairs.
You like the sweat?
My commentary is very good today, I know.
I mean, like, I don't blame people for coming and living in these places. Like, if you're homeless, you would, wouldn't you? That'd be like the sensible thing.
Well,
to do.
technically, he's not homeless.
Yeah, technically. If he's there, he's left his shoes, the poor fella. I don't blame him, but
A man with 2 pairs of shoes is not a man that is needing.
why's he got 2 pairs? Where's his other pair?
Well, he's obviously gone out in a pair, hasn't he?
How do you know? Maybe he likes the feel of it on his feet.
Feel of what?
The squelch.
Right, guys, in the comments, I want you to give me your best description of what possibly might have happened to this place.
Hello, and welcome to my home.
Tell us what happened, and you'll win.
You'll win Al for a night. What?
Do you want a tape of the special
I
announcement?
don't want any of your shit.
Yeah,
tapes.
best excuses of what happened to this house, please.
I don't know what it is about this house, but it makes my balls want to like
Explode. So yeah, and you'll win something. I don't know what.
that ball of water.
No, I know what you can win. This pack of instant custard.
Oh wow!
A line.
2016.
Custard. Let's get some custard tonight. Let's get proper on it with custard.
Do you wanna?
Yeah, we'll put it in like a pan.
Do you wanna get jam roly poly?
Should we get a jam roly poly tonight?
Fuck yeah.
For the morning. Oh, you can't really have jam
Was
roly
it
poly
tonight?
in the morning. Jam roly poly.
Tonight, jam roly poly tonight with the boys, even though this is gonna go out weeks after. Yeah.
Let's make it in this.
Can we
add boiling water, but we'll make it in cold water instead.
How to make instant custard with Alex Harvey.
Ghetto cooking with Alex Harvey.
Got to break up the bits.
Hashtag break up the bits.
You always get lumps in custard though, don't you, to be fair?
Not in this bad boy.
Well, you've just got rid of most of the custard.
That's where people are going wrong. They're using boiling water. You've got
That's
to
probably
use
making me
swamp
feel
water.
sick.
Al's got lumpy cum.
Break up your bitch.
That looks like mud pie.
Oh, it's like shit on a stick.
How much to eat that?
Al, stop chucking. This is someone's house.
This is my home.
Al,
We do not take responsibility for any actions that Alex Harvey does on this.
I feel
on this
I
show.
feel like Masson when he had that job looking after special people.
He still has that job.
No, when he used to take them out to the cinema and stuff.
All right, big shout out to Adam Masson.
Says the actions or opinions of Al aren't they're them of his own and not anything to do with the whole
You
corporation.
proper take too long for shit.
Also, I just want to say a massive shout out to Tomo because I know you're watching this.
Right,
And have a great 2018.
Is there any? Have we done?
Yeah.
Oh.
Hi. Where are we, Lady? Still Manchester way.
We're on Tarpaulin Road.
Tarpaulin Road, and we're on the hunt this week for a farmhouse. That's actually quite a nice church, that. Very Anglo. I just wanted to say a massive shout out to Big Kelly. Big Kelly, if you're watching this.
Kelly. Who the fuck is Big Kelly?
I thought you had no money.
No money, Al. That's what we call it.
What do you call
I
it?
swear to God, my balls are gonna fall off or something. They're itching like fuck. I've got crabs. Shit, there is actually CCTV. Whoa! Yeah. It is full of cool shit. DVLA guy. Oh, is it a lamp? Sorry, I thought it was a camera. I do apologise, guys. I didn't want to put that. Oh.
This is actually making up for a lot of shit. Look at that. That's a V8. That's a V8.
Oh my God, this is so cool. Oh fucking hell! I nearly went on my ass.
That's a caddy. That's a caddy. That must be worth an arm and a leg. That thing.
I love that sticker.
That will be worth a lot.
Look at that thing.
That is sick.
That is so fucking cool.
Mick Foley's been in this. Can suck my dick. Someone's been raking it. Oh look, plastic signs. I hate standing on fucking rags.
I love these old crates and stuff. It's very cool. That is so cool.
Yeah, I want to know what it is.
Let me check. I bet it's a Rover. It's a Rover. That is a sad sight. Yes, I think it's a Rover 3500.
It's massive.
This was a proper gentleman's car. He took this car golfing. This guy had class.
Because he played golf.
No.
Tiger Woods plays golf and he cheated on his wife.
That's how you could tell he had class. Al, what is wrong with you? You pick up liner.
I know. Oh wow, look at this liner. Oh, it's Doro.
That steering wheel is the best thing I've ever seen in my life.
Here, I'll get him back and can you drive me to the can you drive me to the co-op please?
That is fucking awesome.
Oh, it's got that old car smell.
That is a view. That is a view. Look at the fucking steering wheel. It's got gold bits in it.
That's a luxury car, that, isn't it?
Oh, a bit of a Prindle for Lloydie.
A what?
Prindle.
Oh, what that is.
It's what you call what do you call it? The gear thing for automatic. It says Prindle down it. Oh. Where's the horn? Oh, that's not the horn. That's your indicator. Look at that.
Just want to take this time to let everyone know that this isn't a really family friendly show. So if you've got children under the age of 11, can you...
Why do you keep telling people that this isn't a family friendly show?
You get people constantly messaging saying, "Oh, can't watch this with the kids. You fucking swearing in it." Like, we're getting a lot of new subscribers. I just want to give them the heads up that we're not family friendly.
Oh, fuck them.
Do you want to see how you turn your wipers on?
Is it on the start by any
No,
chance?
it's here.
Oh, is it a button?
What's that?
That's a very posh.
No, that's your horn.
Oh my god, has it got a horizontal speed?
Yeah.
Speed.
That's your horn, that other stalk.
Okay.
I don't know what that is.
Is this a barn? Holy shit, this is massive. Holy crap. We got a load of trails and stuff. Is that a combine harvester?
It sure is. I was getting really excited about this, but then I forgot that we went to the combine
Harvester graveyard.
There's an old school tractor over there that looks really cool.
I've just found a Rover
3500
on eBay.
How much?
Bidding's at £1,000 at the moment.
Should we buy it? Is it blue? Is it in a barn?
How do we get to this place? Are we off route back?
Yeah, I don't think we can get in the front. I think it's...
Yeah, it looks pretty boarded up. I always gotta go around the back. You always get the better results when you go around the back. That's for damn sure.
You being rude?
No. Ah, he's a funny fucking...
If you enter this whoa! That's a cool sign. I've seen a sign like that for a while.
It's
You're at risk of getting murdered.
The thing is, right, you are at risk of getting shot at, but it's like, well, you'll just go to prison if you shoot.
These farmers are just all fucking mad, aren't
They're not living in Alabama.
That's the sort of sign that says to me, maybe not.
And the thing
Really?
is as well,
Yeah.
Why?
Because it's made out of cardboard with Sharpie.
you really think that's a Sharpie? That's a penny nicked from fucking post office.
There's a whiteboard marker that his kid nicked from school.
Doesn't have any kids because he shot them all.
There's a window over there. Oh, this wall's slimy. Oh. I don't know, have you tried giving it a little shove? Yeah, that's not gonna move.
So going into this, we had no idea. We had no idea what we're going to be in this place, and it's just been a bit of a flop actually. You know, the ups and downs of the Urbex game.
Yeah, to be fair, they have had 2 weeks of good stuff.
So now you got to
Now you got to shit.
now you got to watch horrible shit. But then again, the shit episodes always turn out to be like kind of okay, or maybe I'm just trying to think positive. This place has been horrible. Anyway, I've spoke too much. But we do have Facebook, so you should go give us a like. Goodbye. And Snapchat and Instagram. Go like that shit as well.
I've got problems. Can you help me solve them?
Oh, you're beyond helping.
Aw.